Hello, my name is Mariano. I'm the CEO of Mural. We provide digital whiteboards to help you collaborate from anywhere. We're running at $1.6 million in annual recurring revenue. That's almost 2x from last year with 90% gross margins. Our clients love us. We have teams from IBM, Steelcase, Disney, and Stanford using us daily to design new products and services. Design thinking has been a top priority for Fortune 500 companies, and that relies a lot on radical visual collaboration, which generally takes place inside project rooms. But what happens when your team is all over the world? Well, you need to travel a lot or take pictures of whiteboards, send them back and forth, point the video system at the whiteboard, or hack together collaboration tools to get the job done. Makes you lose time, momentum, flow. So enter Mural. Our clients enjoy our flexible whiteboarding interface that we combine with tools to help you organize, prioritize, and decide faster. In addition to that, we provide 24/7 access to work. We founded a video games company in the past that was acquired by Disney, and while we were designing a game with our multidisciplinary remote team, we found ourselves in this situation. For the last 4 years, we've been focusing on enterprise design collaboration with help from IDEO, the design firm in which we were a startup in residence. We raised $2 million in seed funding to date, and if you're interested in learning how we keep on growing, come talk to us later. Thank you.